Hello my dear viewers, in this video I am going to make a solid perfume. I have in my store a variety of sprays and I just decided to add something else. So I am making solid perfume here. If you use unpurified beeswax, the smell of the last one is going to interfere with the fragrance you are going to use. You can use unrefined or refined shea butter. It will not really influence your fragrance. You can use any liquid oil of your choice. You can use any container of your choice. Flash point of my fragrance is over 200 Fahrenheit, and that's why it's safe to use now, because my oils are 161 Fahrenheit. Please keep in mind that some fragrances or essential oils are going to discolor your solid perfume over time. Solid perfume is a good alternative to the spray ones, and besides the fact that they hold really good fragrance and will stay a while, they also moisturize your skin. And you can see here it's not greasy, it's really nice.